guys, welcome back. We're on tour Dridgers. If you're new here, we're a full-time travel couple from the UK. We are currently in Amritsar, well known for the Golden Temple, which is what we explored yesterday. If you don't know what the Golden Temple is, make sure you go back and watch that video. It is one of the most amazing experiences we have ever done.
Today we want to go to the Wagah border. We actually have no way of getting there, and so we're down in the main square. It's mega busy, as you can imagine, and we're going to see if we can get a taxi for a fair price. Also, while we're down here, I wouldn't mind getting a traditional Indian culture, because people have been saying to me, dress like an Indian, go dress like an Indian, and go dress like an Indian.
Hello.
This one.
What's your favorite color?
This one's.
This one?
Yeah. What's the price though?
That is nice.
The blue's better.
So we've gone to another shop, see if we can get a better price.
What's the price?
This is 2,500. This is Italian fabric.
Yeah,
You like cheaper one?
Yes, cheaper.
Yeah. They know near please. This is another fabric.
I like that fabric better.
This is normal cotton. This is Italian fabric. After washing now shrink.
How much is this one?
This one 1,500.
Would you do like 1,000? 1,000.
Okay, 1,300. You give me pay 1,300. Okay?
1,100.
I have good price for you.
1,100 is a good price for me. For me, it's a good price.
Please.
For me,
1,200. Okay.
There we go, we got there. Which colour do you want?
This one.
You want that colour?
No, you got this the dark one, blue.
Like that?
You.
That one?
You baby.
No, I prefer the grey.
grey.
This color.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
colour.
You gonna test it?
No, it's quite long. Which size is this? Large?
Yeah, large.
Alright, I've got my traditional culture. Pretty happy with the price. It come down, I went for less than half the price. At the end of the day, initially I was thinking a little bit cheaper. With what it started at, I'm quite happy to get that price. So we're just heading back. We still haven't got a taxi to the border yet. We're back out, still on the search for some sort of transport, but we are literally in our Indian gear. I think we look alright. Don't you think we look alright?
We are. We're ready to celebrate at the border ceremony. As Ben said, we need to sort out transport. We're hoping we can just get one straight away and head on now. We might just...
I've just noticed everyone's got the top button undone, so I'm going to be like the Indians.
Yeah, you look like a school teacher, Ben.
Yeah, I don't think that's a dumb thing. I think the top button's not a dumb thing.
Oh gosh, this is so hectic. Hello again. Been run over nearly 100 times. It's only different tuk-tuks here though. You get their two seats facing each other, and a lot of them's electric as well. Going from here. I swear when I go to bed at night, I can hear horns in my sleep.
Yeah, it's just relentless.
Yeah, like your head's constantly going. This is the square where they normally approach you. I feel like we're too late.
I don't know. 400 total. 400.
What, there and back?
Yeah.
Go and back.
Oh.
Yeah, it's cheap. For today?
Not now.
Now.
Right now 3 p.m. Going.
Robin. Hey Robin. Nice to meet you.
Cell number, mobile number, auto tuk-tuk number.
Okay. 200 now. 200 later.
Now?
Right now.
We're now, let's go.
Just wait.
Let's go.
Well, that's a good bargain. 400 rupees for both of us in a rickshaw. Easy.
That's all right. I don't mind this.
Oh my god.
You go comfortable? Yeah.
Yeah,
cool,
we're fine.
I've got my leg pulled a little bit by the bloke. He said private tuk-tuk for us two. Ended up there's 7 of us in it, but you know, I don't mind.
I believe that if someone said to Ben that aliens exist, he'd believe it. I believe in aliens though.
Aliens do exist, Reanne.
You don't believe in aliens?
I believe in aliens.
Oh no, magic exists then. He would believe it. He believes anything.
Magic. Traffic is absolutely mental. We're literally crawling out of Amritsar. I think it's at 4:30 and I think we're going to miss it, but maybe it's like the winter times, I'm not sure. But we're cutting it close because we're literally, I reckon I could walk past this tuk-tuk. I do. But having said that, this is like a proper experience, isn't it?
We're like on the back like this. Here we go. Picked up some speed.
The bloke there is riding a motorbike. The guy on the back's holding a bloody bed.
Stretch. That was about what? How long? Hour nearly?
Hour, yeah.
Well, that was madness. As soon as we got off, some guys started painting these on our hands, and we were like, what?
I thought he worked for the tuk-tuk. I thought he was like marking us.
Then he started carrying on doing the flag, and then he was like, give me money. And I was like, whoa, it's a bit aggressive to be honest. And I gave him 50. He went, no, 60 each. I went, I'll wipe it off then. I was like, I didn't even ask for it.
You want it, but...
Follow these people. Ben.
How are you?
Hello.
How are you?
What I was saying, we were going the wrong way then, nearly got like cut by some wire. Yeah, he was really rude and aggressive to be honest about it. And when we said no to 60, I gave him 50. And then he barged past me. So watch out for that at the border.
How much for a hat? No hat. How much? Kidna rupees. 100. 100. Huh?
It's a blessing bag.
Oh, bless you. Have a look.
100 rupee hat. That's well good.
Yeah, I thought 100 rupees was good.
I suppose it's 1 kilometre, but you can get these little push bikes.
Rickshaws.
Rickshaws, yeah. No, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
We looked, wow, look at these, look nice.
This is experience, isn't it?
Hello.
Only 20.
I'm alright.
No, thank you, man.
Only 20.
No, thank you.
There's so much going on here.
There's like loads and loads of vendors that are all selling good things, and people like offering you things. And I just think this is part of the experience. I don't see why you'd get a tuk-tuk.
Oh, I do like the Indian t-shirts though.
So this is the Wagah border ceremony. It attracts between 20 and 50,000 Indians and tourists every single day. We've done it once on the Pakistan side. This time we're doing it on the India side. It's going to be very exciting.
Some local just told us, because someone else was trying to paint it, it's a 200 rupees. Whoa. The local just went, it's just 20, so ignore him. And I was like, well, we kind of got a local price, we're just giving him a 50. First stop is water, and you've got to get some popcorn. There you go, Ben, prices. Water 20, popcorn 30, 50. Thank you, bad. That's so good. They had the prices on the sheet, which is so good. I love that.
They're pretty good here. They're used to tourists here, aren't they? So.
I'm going to regret getting one.
I said that.
What was it, 30? Maybe we'll get another one.
I said to you, do you want two?
There's loads of stores up here.
Yeah, I know what you're like. As soon as I open it, you'll be like, oh yeah, we should have got two. Well, you've already said we should have got two.
Yeah, but I don't know whether to get something like hot, like a sandwich or something. Thank you. Taste test. I've got a fork, get it? Don't waste popcorn. You've got another hand. Is it buttery?
Butter, yeah, butter.
Butter with some kind of spice, isn't it? I think it's like powdered cheese or something on it. Oh, it's good. Mine's nice and hot, straight out of the popping machine.
Yeah, while I was getting waiting in the queue, the guy that was actually serving, he was like, "Can I have a selfie?" Like, come up to me. I was like, you know, I am a YouTuber, so. And
then I photobombed.
Yeah, she photobombed.
Oh no, we got to separate.
It's the hat.
Ladies that way, gents that way. Bye.
See you later.
Bye, Ben. I got to bug the queue.
That was easy. Well, you went to the front.
Yeah, they put me in another line.
Really?
So there's a massive line for the girls, but they told me to go in another line and I got straight through. Sometimes it
When was the Pakistan side? You was like,
yeah, it took great. No, the queue for the women's are massive, but they made me go in another queue. We're not really sure like where to go, whether to go like up, round, going up. I'm pretty annoyed, it's full. You can't get anywhere. In there? Yeah. Said we can go up here, but it looks pretty busy.
We managed to push our way in. Yeah, so busy. We're like stood on the stairwell. Tourists. I think everyone should visit Pakistan at least once in their lifetime because it's a brilliant place.
I'm not sure what they're saying then. Okay, we're leaving before inside, all these people are watching on the screen. So many people didn't get inside. This is crazy. This is just a weekday. This is a Thursday. Imagine it on a weekend.
It's crazy. I can't believe how many people are here.
Have you got a change for 500? Oh, that smells nice.
It's well sweet.
100.
Brilliant, thank you. Oh my god, that's well a good chai. It's really sweet, isn't it?
Yeah. That's the sweetest one I've ever had.
I think it's my favourite.
Yeah.
That's why I'm glad I don't like coffee, because if I did like coffee, I'd have it very sweet.
Yeah, but chai's tea.
Yeah, I'm just saying that if I drank coffee, it would be milky and sugar. But tea, I'm a herbal one.
Unless it's chai.
Oh, sorry, I'm nicking your drink. Ben got it. 30 rupees from the machine. Delicious. So there's like a massive food court here. We probably would have stopped. We have to be back at our tuk-tuk by 6. There's a couple of rides. I saw some Indian t-shirts over there, so I'm going to check it out. I've just seen a sign here. They've got like a hop-on, hop-off bus. 150 rupees to the border. What?
Yeah, from Amritsar.
Yeah, I would have well done that.
Yeah, so we are letting you know because we didn't know.
Do that next time.
Hello, aisa Nisha?
Oh, thank you.
No thanks.
Thank you so much. Parking, chode parking, gadi parking.
We're gonna walk. We're gonna do it. It's literally about a 5-minute walk,
He's
isn't
got
it?
a shirt, t-shirt.
Oh, you have to find out where you got it from. Need an India t-shirt. Let me know down below. Where can I get one from?
Yeah, that's it.
Ah, yeah. I saw it, Ben. How much? India?
100.
100. Do you want one?
Yeah, I'll get one.
Yeah. Which one's
Extra, I'll have that one.
XL? Yeah. 2.
Yeah.
2.
2.
Yeah. Perfect.
Thank you.
Danyavad. Got my t-shirt. Oh, I'm well chill. Even Ben got one. I'm a bit offended that it gave me XL.
Does it matter?
No, I'm joking. I don't care. I'd rather it loose. It'll probably still be tight on me because I'm a bit curvy these days. Everyone's in good spirits. I love it.
Yeah, isn't it?
So we've got loads of food stores here. This is really good. So you can go and get some sandwiches, food, loads over here. Look at all. Little eggs.
What I will say is India's setup is really good. Like, I don't want to compare it to Pakistan, but there's just nothing there. I don't think they get enough people there. Here, there's shops, there's people selling things, there was a slide up there.
I'm not looking forward to this ride home though.
Oh, I am.
You like it, don't you?
Yeah, it's alright.
Oh, I'm scared that a car's gonna like drive up and squash my legs or something. It is fun and interesting to see it. I think it's gonna be dark by the time we get home.
Yeah, I reckon it is.
Oh wow. Papaya, literally my favourite fruit ever. Now we just need to remember our spot. I can't remember which spot is ours. Ooh. Oh no. These sandwiches are everywhere, look. Hello! Nice to meet you. Oh gosh. No, we got go.
Yes.
Ah, they're like potato.
30 rupees 2 piece. 30 rupees 2 piece.
Yeah, we'll get some. 30 rupees. Yes, please.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
This.
Yeah, cabbage.
This.
Is it spicy?
Chutney.
Chutney? Yeah. Chutney.
Very funny. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, go on. Hello.
Excuse me. ये ले भाई 30 रुपीस काट 30 रुपीस
Hold on. Ben, take that.
Okay.
We've literally got 5 minutes before we've got to be there for a tuk-tuk. But I think it's like a potato rosti. We've got cabbage, onions, and then like you put 3 different chutneys on there. Oh, that's good.
It's well nice, isn't it?
Reminds me of a hash brown. That red sauce is really nice. It's got like a subtle kick. That's good. Quick!
Yeah, literally trying to rush because we're like,
Eat then!
we're a minute late.
Go. Oh, don't waste any then. Come on. Down your bag. Thank you. Bye. Nice to meet you. Alright, I'm hoping our thingy's up here. Hide the evidence, I've been eating food. and that's why I'm late.
What a lovely guy, give me a hug and everything.
Oh, they were really nice. We all got selfies with them.
If you're watching the video, comment down below and
Nice to meet you. Oh, them potato things were amazing. Right, let's look for our lift. Good, we found him fine. Well, hopefully, we're not the last ones.
we last ones?
I don't know. This way. Being safe this time, aren't we? We're being a...
We've learnt a lot. Like, we've been travelling 3 years now, and we've learnt a lot on the way. Getting sick, having like diarrhea and stuff, not worth it. Sanitise all the time, and that's my tip to you. If you're coming India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, any of these countries, just make sure you bring your sanitizer.
It's not all about the food as well. It's not the hygiene of the food. It's more like touching the money.
Handling.
And touching like poles, like on there, just things like that. It just got to be, we're just being really careful. We get ill every time. We're like, let's be sensible for once in our life. Yeah. All right, I'm just going to show you what my India t-shirt's like. 100 rupees. Ben even had to get one because they were that good. I like that.
Yeah, it's nice.
And it's that material that doesn't crinkle, that's good for sweating.
Yeah.
We are actually the first ones here as well, so we're really happy about that because it would have been embarrassing us eating food and being the last ones here. And we are off 6:30, so it's going to be dark by the time we get home. And I think it's going to be 10 times as busy, isn't it?
Yeah, I expect so.
They do jump out these tuk-tuks. We've got 10 in here. The one next to me, I swear, has got like 13, maybe even more. They're like fitting the kid in the boot, so they haven't got like a seat like this. Look, they're taking the speaker out. And oh my god. They literally jam-pack these tuk-tuks.
Such a good day and so eventful, honestly.
But our journey back took it out of me. My back's hurting and my bum's hurting.
Yeah, we're literally gonna just order some food, slob until we go to sleep. But tomorrow's like a full-on travel day. So make sure you watch the next video. 13-hour train journey in the sleeper cabin to Lucknow. So subscribe.
Wait. One. What? Get up. 3, 2, 1.
I thought we were staying down.
Yeah, we are.
With different heights.
I thought we were.
So I'm along here. Go and stand there. No, forward. No, come back. There. Back. There, that's where your head's not cut off.